Hey, how you doing today? Hey, today we're going to be learning how to make a customized clipboard. Taking one of these old clipboards like this, whatever style you have, and turning them into something that is a little more customized, like and so to do that, the first thing we do is we have to remove the rivets. And we're going to do it like this with the drill press. Make sure before you drill it that you have it supported directly underneath where you're going to be drilling. Now that we have the clip removed from the clipboard, we're going to go ahead and put a piece of Formica onto the clipboard. Now to glue these two pieces together, we're going to be using this product right here, this 3M high strength. When we put it on, we don't want to put on too much. We want to put an even amount over the entire thing, and then we have to let it dry completely. Now the best way to get these two products to dry completely is to shake them in the air. And a good way to do that is to hold it, don't put your fingers on here, and then just shake it around like this. This takes a while to dry. On the can it says between 10 to 15 minutes. If you shake it around, maybe it can go a little faster, but it takes a while to do it, so be patient. To put the laminate onto the clipboard, the next you want to bend it slightly and then set the middle down first and then spread it out. Next, you want to roll it out with one of these J rollers. So now that it's all rolled out, you're going to have some overlap. And that's okay. We're going to head over to the table router, and then we're going to trim off all their extra pieces. The edges are all trimmed off, ready to go. Next thing you want to do is get a file and file any of the sharp edges. And you want to file okay. Next thing we want to do is we need to re-drill through those holes right there. So let's go back to the drill press and drill that. Now this part, it's really crucial that you support it underneath that hole. Otherwise you'll delaminate what you just put all together. So let's drill this out. And when putting the rivets back in, we want to put the clip back on this side, because on this side, add a custom touch to it. The rivets we're going to be using today are an Arrow product. They are 3/16 by 1/4 inch. Now that the riveting process is finished, let's go add a custom touch. So to customize it, now I'm gonna laser on something. You can open it, grab your project, head out of the laser room, and come on back into class. Now, you may be wondering, am I completely finished? And the answer is, you're almost finished. The next thing you're going to want to do is remove any of that glue. So any glue that got on there before, and there's a couple ways to do it, but the easiest way to do that is use your nail, and you should be able to remove all that off. Hope you enjoyed turning a regular old clipboard into something that's a little more custom. Hey, don't forget to subscribe, click that thumbs up, have a good one.